Hey guys, this is We Three Creatives. We are a new YouTube channel and we are a family of three that loves doing fun little DIY arts and crafts projects at home. Today we're going to show you how to make these fun little rainbow shoes. First we're going to start off with some old shoes, isopropyl rubbing alcohol. I would like to use some gauze pads for this because they're kind of nice and rough to help clean off the shoe a little bit easier. Here we have a little foam paintbrush we're going to use, and then this patent leather white paint. We also use sequin trim that we got from Hobby Lobby, and the link will be in the description below. So here I'm just going to wet our gauze pads with some rubbing alcohol and give these shoes a good little wipe down. This will help get all the dirt and grime off the sides, which will help the paint stick better. We're going to start applying our first coat of white paint to these shoes. Next time I'd probably wear some gloves during this part because it got a little messy. So here I'm just making sure I get a nice coat over the entire shoe. Put it on the second coat now. I let each coat dry about 20 minutes. So I'm pretty happy with how they turned out so far after 3 coats, so I think I'm on to the next step. Here I'm going to use this Fabri-Tac glue. It's fabric glue, it holds on really well, so just going to apply a thin little strand across the bottom of the shoe here to start my rainbow design. I'm starting with the red sequin trim here. E600 also works well for this in case you wanted to use that as an alternative. We'll provide the links for these in the description below. I'm going to continue this streak along the bottom edge of the shoe because I want this to wrap all the way up to the front in the shape of a rainbow. Smooth down the edge and then we'll get ready to start the next color. I'm going to be using the purple one next, and basically I'm just going to apply that the same way. Just line it up right along next to the red one just to make that nice little rainbow design. Make sure they're not flipped over and twisted around. Same thing, just smoothing it out nice and even, making sure it's not twisted around at all. So all the sequins are lining up nicely. Finally, I'm going to do the yellow here. We wanted to get the green to complete it, but this being around St. Paddy's Day, we were unable to find any green sequin trim anywhere. Smooth down all the edges, make sure that's nicely lined up, and that is our first shoe. Came out really nice. Look at that thing shine. So now for this next shoe, I thought of doing an asymmetrical design. I thought that'd be a little bit more interesting, having both shoes be unique but still kind of play off each other. So what I wanted to do is just have the rainbow continue over across the toe of the second shoe. Finishing up now, and I think these things turned out great. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. These things were great in the park. They just caught the sun and just shined. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you guys try it, let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.